Please get ready for dictation of part 3 of the judgment of the High Court of Delhi delivered on 6th March 2023. 5 seconds. Start. Issue a writ of certiorari or any other appropriate writ, order or direction, thereby calling for the records relating to the issuance of advertisement number 01/17 dated 18/7/2017 issued by respondent number 2 on behalf of respondent number 1, examine the same and quash it to the extent it does not include the backlog reserved vacancies for persons with disabilities in terms of Section 33 of the old Act of 1995 and Section 34 of the new Act of 2016, and also to the extent it notifies the reserved vacancies for physically handicapped in contravention of Rule 11 of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, Rules 2017, which mandates that category-wise reservation has to be notified for each category of disability in terms of Section 34 of the said new Act, and consequently direct the respondents to issue a corrigendum to the said advertisement by reserving all backlog vacancies for persons with disabilities in terms of the said statutory provision and Honorable Apex Court judgment, and also by notifying disability-wise reserved vacancies separately for each category of disability entitled to the benefit of reservation in terms of Rule 11 of Rights of Persons with Disabilities, Rules 2017. Issue a writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ, order or direction, thereby directing the respondents to work out the vacancies which ought to have been reserved for each of the category of persons with disabilities in terms of Section 33 of the said old Act of 1995 up to March 2017, and thereafter in terms of Section 34 of the said new Act of 2016 from April 2017 till date in a time-bound manner in terms of the directions of Honorable Apex Court as contained in judgment dated 8/10/13 passed in Civil Appeal number 9096 of 2013, and undertake a special recruitment drive for filling up the backlog of vacancies so worked out for each category of disability, including blind and low vision separately, in compliance of the directions of Honorable Apex Court in the said case. Issue a writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ, order or direction, thereby directing the respondent number 1 to monitor the implementation of scheme of reservation for persons with disabilities in the same manner as is done by it in the case of SC, ST and OBC. Issue a writ of prohibition or any other appropriate writ, order or direction, thereby restraining the respondents from undertaking any recruitment in future without complying with the provisions of Rights of Persons with Disabilities, Rules 2017, as well as without completing the recruitment process against backlog reserved vacancies for persons with disabilities in general and blind and low vision in particular, in accordance with the directions contained in the judgment dated 8/10/13 in Civil Appeal number 9096 of 2013. The present petition was filed in the year 2017. Senior advocate appeared in the matter on almost every date fixed by this court and ensured that the matter is brought to its logical conclusion. On 9/11/2022, the Learned Standing Council was fair enough in stating before this court that she will prepare a department-wise, disability-wise, and post-wise detailed chart and shall furnish all minute details of the posts reserved for the disabled category, posts vacant under the category, and the information shall be shared with learned senior advocate. It was also brought to the notice of this court that the Commissioner of Disabilities shall also be apprised of the report prepared by the government, and he can thereafter arrive at a conclusion in the matter of proper representation of specially abled persons. Stop.